Doc Mountain and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually change the background of a video that you're likely to post to your YouTube channel. The background may be like the one you're seeing right now, or it could be like this one. So let me show you a video that I shot where I was actually in my room, and then I will be walking you through the steps that I took for me to change its background. Let's take a ride. So initially the video was like this. Hi, this is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time visiting my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video and share it with as many people as you can. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can... Okay, so that was the video before I edited it. Let's take a look at what the video looks like right now after editing it. Let's play it. Hi, this is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time visiting my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video and share it with as many people as you can. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can claim your Mimify tokens. Without any further ado, let's take a ride. Okay, so for you to be able to edit the background of video, you have to have the InShot app. So that's the one that I'm going to open right now. If you're in, this is how you need to go about it. Click video and then click new. And here, you don't need to start with the video, start with the pic. That pic will be the background whereon the video will be. So choose the background here. I'm going to go by the third and then click the tick in the bottom right. Okay, so the background has been added. The next thing you need to do is to add the video. So you need to click peep and then you change here the options. You highlight the video tab, then choose the video whose background you want to change. So I'm going to go by this one here. And then what you do is you zoom it out. After doing that, you can cut it out. So you swipe left till you get to where it reads cut out. Okay, then you click cut out there. So you see the background has been removed. You can now click the tick there. Then after you've done this, if you want, you can zoom it out again so that it fits here. I've seen that. And then you click the tick there. It's a perfect fit. It's a perfect fit. So now from here, what you need to do is you have to extend the background all the way to the end of the video. So simply tap on top there. Then you click and hold at the far right there. And then you pull to the end. You can actually pull it back so that it happens to be in line with the end part of the video. Okay, so we can now take it back to the beginning of the video and then you hit play. Hi, this is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time visiting my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video and share it with as many people as you can. And boom, there we have it. We can now hit export and the video will be exported. Okay, once the video is fully exported, you can now find it in your gallery. And boom, there it is. There it is. And then you can share it on any social media platform. So that's how we do it.